All right, this is the people versus Ramon Rondo, ticket number P1333281, count 1, registration and or plate violation, no plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, defective brake light. Ticket number P1333282, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, driver unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP1072308, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number SX3551511, count 1, drove a license not valid or improper license. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And then ticket number SP9270081, count 1, drove a license not valid. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hoffman.
Daniel Hoffman, P83528 from Detroit Justice Center on behalf of Ramon Rondo. Mr. Rondo is with me here today.
Ms. Rondo, can you unmute yourself, say your name, sir?
Good morning. My name is Ramon Rondo.
All right. Mr. Hoffman, the court is in receipt of the plea form, which does indicate an offer of him pleading responsible to the 3 civil infractions. There are 2 misdemeanors. There's also some state matters. The court is inclined to dismiss those as well as a part of the agreement. And well, not as a part of the agreement, but we don't have the state prosecutor at this point. But with that, Mr. Hoffman, you stipulate to the face of the ticket number ending in 281.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so those are all dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. Give me 1 moment. For the fines,
Okay, well, today's your learning day.
all right, so the first fine for the registration and or plate, no plate, that fine will be, it's $170. And then the second fine is $195. And then the third fine is $120.
And Your Honor, if there's any opportunity for a waiver or a payment plan on those, that would be appreciated.
Here's the thing. It's a total of $485. Couple things. It's a civil infraction, so he
Right.
he has to pay it in 2 weeks. I could give him an extra week, or he can get, I can do community service in lieu of the fine. If he wants to do a payment plan, he would need to call the court. I'm not exactly sure what number that is, or come down. I think he
Sure.
can come down and set up.
Okay.
a payment. And I think they would give him more time.
Okay, Mr. Rondo, you are employed now again, so community service, is that something you want to do or no?
Right now I'm working 12 hours. I was gonna say
Yeah.
I can probably pay it. I can pay it in 2 payments. If I
Okay,
can do.
all right.
How
So
many weeks?
it's 2, but if payment plan needs to be arranged, we'll talk to the clerk's office and we'll handle that ourselves, Mr. Rondo.
Okay, I think the Judge Evans said he can give me an extra week. If she can do that,
I'll
can
give
pay.
you to, August 18th.
Okay, that's doable.
Any other questions?
No, just for scheduling. So we combined kind of 2 different court dates together this morning. Some of these cases are kind of double booked. They're also still listed as having an initial hearing at 1:30 today or an arraignment. So
I
just,
think we've dealt with everything.
we have. I just saw when I looked at the schedule, there still are 1:30 hearings in this matter. So I think those were supposed to be canceled the last time because we're dealing with everything today, 8:35, but just wanted to bring that up to the court.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll make sure they're canceled.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. Good luck.
All right, bye-bye. You can log off, Mr. Rondo.
Thank you, Mr. Hoffman. Do I leave or stay on?
Nope, you can leave. You're all set.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Judge Evans.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Judge Evans. How are you? I just checked with my boss to see if he needed any help with anything. Yeah, I want to help you out. Just let me know what it is. No, just stuff.
This stuff?
No. the Stuff.
Oh, yeah, I do. It's
Just get with me. I'll be in my program.
Over in here.
Bring it down here.
Where,
440 stuff from
Yes.
my vacation.
it's sitting on, right here in front of the phone.
So I'll be able to figure it out.
Alright.
Oh, I can't bring it to you.
Okay, please and thank you.
I'm gonna try to do it discreetly.
You don't gotta do it discreetly, just go get it. What's gonna say?
Okay, Mr. Roki, you ready on anything?
Yeah, I'm ready on a lot, so.
No, I don't know no
You
deal.
ready on who?
Okay, so Ebony Richards is a review, so we're ready on her.
Well,
Next is Dantzler Laquita, she's the first name under 830. And then the name under her, Arsenio Davis. And also Daryl Robinson. James Randall. Ada Reed.
hold on. I got
Okay.
Daryl Robinson. Who was the last person? You said
Ada
Randall?
Reed. James Randall.
Wait, who did you say?
James Randall.
I got him.
And then Brandon, ma'am, you have to mute. Ma'am, you go on mute. And then Brandon Rosen. Those are
Would
all.
you like to speak from you?
Hey, look, you need to mute yourself, Miss Richard. Who was it again? Brandon Rosen?
Yes.
Some of these people you might have to go and get because they're not coming out. I got Mr. Robinson, I got Miss Richard. Mr. Randall is not coming out.
Okay, let me see where Mr.
Brandon Rosen's out. And who else did you say?
I don't even know.
Randall's out. Is that everyone? Is that everyone?
Yeah, I
you
think
said?
that's everyone. So we could just go with those. And if there's any other ones. Did the other person come out?
We have Rosen, Richard, Randall, Robinson.
Davis, did he come out?
Was it Rishan Davis?
It's like Arsenio.
No. So you might have to look at him. He's in room 4.
Okay, let me go back in here. Yeah, it says not joined, so he's not in his room. Maybe he's in between.
Yeah, I think he just came out.
Hello?
Yep, he's out. Hold on, Mr. Davis.
Hi, sorry about that.
Yeah, no one, please, I'm gonna mute everyone. Please don't talk. Just join in quietly. When the court calls your name, then you'll know your case is being called.
I'm so sorry, I have none of these. I'll just print them as you go. Who we doing first?
We can do, you have a preference on who you wanna do first?
No, it doesn't matter to me, Judge.
James. That's okay. James Randall at 8:35.
Okay, wait, let me see if it's James Brandon. 8:35, then who don't go to next?
Then you do, Rand.
8:35 also. Yeah, he said 8:35.
Okay.
Just give me one more.
Daryl Robinson.
And oh, he's 8:30. There. Okay.
You don't have FT as a just,
I'll look for her again.
I just added someone, Your Honor, who I'd spoken to, so
okay.
that would have been Bridgeton Davis.
You said Breeshan Davis?
Yes, he's ready to.
I apologize, Mr. Roki. What page is he on?
Mr. Davis is on page 3.
Oh, here I am. I'm back.
Sure,
No,
just stay.
No. 9 times out of 10, no one's really speaking to you until your case is called. You may hear your name. All right, are you ready, Mr. Oki?
I'm ready.
Okay, this is the People versus James Randall. Mr. Randall, you're already unmuted. This is ticket number 18483797. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SX2716985. Count 1, driver's license expired. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Randall.
Say your name, Mr. Randall.
Yes, my name is James Randall. Good morning.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to relay what I believe would be the pretrial offer that my client would admit to fail to display a valid license and unregistered vehicle, and the other charges would be dismissed. He would avail himself of that.
Okay, so we'll do it on the drive while license suspended. Oh, you said on the, unregistered vehicle?
Well, no, I said, yeah, and failed to display. So you'd have to do the failed.
Yeah, we'll do fail to display on the driving while license suspended, and then everything else will be dismissed.
Thank you.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Randall. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Siroki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, I have.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes, ma'am.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
I am. I was definitely driving without a license and my car wasn't registered. So,
Okay,
yeah.
it's just yes or no. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
I do.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of August 26, 2018, approximately 5:25 PM. On that date and time, we added near the location of Connor and Essex in the city of Detroit.
I'm sorry. I missed that.
August 26, 2018, at 5:25 PM, were you at or near Connor and Essex in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Were you driving a 2004 GMC vehicle?
yes,
And was your license suspended at that time?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Randall, there's a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by August 25th?
yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, have a good one.
You as well.
Yeah. This is the people versus Brandon Rosen, ticket number SP 1200677, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Brandon Rosen.
Say your name, Mr. Rosen. State name, Mr. Rosen.
Brandon Rosen.
Your Honor, the people, he's going to accept the recommendation of the people. He's waiving his rights.
Okay. Was it to fail to display?
I'm going to assume,
Fail to display on drive while license suspended.
thank you.
Okay. So, Mr. Rosen, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 31st, 2021 at 2:35 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Milwaukee and Lincoln in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Was your driver's license suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
I'm also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. And we'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine, Mr. Rosen. Can you have that paid by August 25th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
Is there a way to mail it in or pay it with a credit card
You can-
online or something?
No, yes, you can pay it online. You can pay it over the phone. If you're ready, I can give you a phone number. There's kiosks around the city in like CVS and Myers called DivDat. You can pay it there, or you can come down to the courthouse. You can't like just mail it in.
Okay. I'll figure it out. If you want to give me the phone number, that would.
Go on the website and you can look up your name and you can pay it on the website.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
Good luck. All right, this is it Raeigen Davis, ticket number SP 1227764, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Davis.
Were you talking about Arsenio Davis?
Raeigen Davis.
You said who, David?
Not you, Arsenio. Go ahead.
Christian Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Davis is continuing his plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis.
Say it again.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis.
Right.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you for 21? Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Yes. Yeah, 28.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
All right, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea? We don't have any trial.
No.
Okay, the court's gonna continue not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial on September 26th at 9:00.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Thank you.
All right.
All right, this is the People versus Daryl Robinson. Unmute yourself. Turn your video on. You can hang up, Mr. Davis.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, I'll remove you, sir.
You said that we should.
All right, this is the People versus Daryl Robinson. Yeah, don't use the camera as a mirror, Ms. Richard. This is this People versus Daryl Robinson, ticket number SP 1183018, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Daryl Robinson.
Say your name, Mr. Robinson.
My name is Daryl Robinson.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Robinson's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for September 26th at 9:00.
Okay, thank you.
You're all set. It's Dancer, turn your video on. This is the People versus the Laquilla Dancer, ticket number SP 1212457, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. I don't know what you told her, but this will probably be a 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Rogi.
I didn't, she does want to enter a plea, Your Honor.
All right, she wants to be in trial.
No, she's gonna enter a plea. Guilty.
Oh, okay. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Mr. Rogi.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Miss Dantzler.
Ms. Dantzler, take your name.
Laquilla Dansley.
All right, as I understand, you wish to make admissions, and the offer would be a 3-month delayed sentence. After you pay the fine, you don't get any more citations or tickets or anything. This will be dismissed off your record. You want to raise your right hand? You want to raise your right hand?
Okay.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
I can't really hear you. Can you say it, please?
You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 10, 2021 at 8:13 p.m. On that date and time, you at near the location of Gratiot and Flanders Street, in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving? I'm sorry. Let me take that back. Do you have a 2001 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, you're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied the factual basis. We'll accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. As indicated, this is a 3-month delayed sentence. So there's going to be a fine of $200 that is due on October 27th. And you're going to have to come back on that date at October 27th at 8:35, just to make sure that you've paid the $200 fine and that you haven't gotten any more tickets. All right? Did you have any questions?
Okay. No.
You're all set, Ms. Dantzler. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Arsenio and
we'll do,
I'm trying to find some more.
we'll do, she got a lot of papers.
Oh,
Look on Raeigen. All right, we're still pulling out your tickets, Ms. Richards.
okay.
This is-
back.
Okay, this is the people versus Arsenio Davis, ticket number U48168818, narcotic and drug-related violation. Mr. Roki,
Yes.
this will be a 3-month delay sentence as well. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Mr. Roki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Davis.
Say your name, Mr. Davis.
Yes,
Say your name, sir.
Arsenio Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's asking, we ask a warrant be set aside, stand mute to the charge, and we're asking for a bench trial date.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down, you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
you say what?
You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your
No.
right to a jury trial?
no.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
All right, yes,
So the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date, September 26th at 9 o'clock.
all right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So I'm done.
You're done.
So y'all gonna send me a letter or something, to information on that?
You might get notice, you might not. I suggest you write it down, September 26th at 9, and zoom back in to the same number.
You said September 26th,
Yes,
so I'm just gonna use this same code.
yes, sir.
All right,
Everything you did today, you're gonna do the exact same thing on September 26th at 9.
all right.
I'm trying to see if I got Richard Harris is in here.
You know, so. we still
I'm
got-
gonna bring Miss Ringo out. She's an OPO.
Oh, yeah, okay. Sounds good. Thank you. I was just about to say that.
And then let's see who else we have. Jonathan Reese. A lot of these people, they have a lot of tickets in the trial one, so I can't really do those. Rick.
Yeah, I noticed. And you haven't gotten any officers. What about
Nothing.
Kobe Davis? Because I don't see any other officers for that. And nobody's called.
Nobody.
Kobe Davis.
Okay, Davis is not in the breakout room, is he?
Oh, he's not even here. He didn't check in.
Okay.
Well, maybe it's not.
Jonathan Reese. Yeah, Reese.
We'll do,
I will start them. We can, yeah, she got a few more right.
yeah, we'll hold off on you, Miss Richard, because we got to pull everything.
Yeah, so what should,
Christina.
tell me what time she is.
Your Honor, can I admit to ascertain who they are?
Yes, please. I was gonna start putting some more people in room, so yeah.
Oh, right now here. Okay, I'm gonna bring up.
Model G Pure, what is your name, please? Oh, they're not it. Zoom user, what is your name, please?
Hi, this is Javante Dinkins. Kicked me out and I rejoined.
Place your device on mute, sir.
Okay.
I'll put Mr. Jenkins, in number 13 or 4.
You said Dinkins? I'm just
No,
gonna.
yeah. Okay, join room number 4. Mr. Jenkins. All right, this is the people versus Christina Ringo, ticket number SP 1330298, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your names for the record. I think Ms. Soroki disappears.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Christina Ringo.
Okay, Ms. Soroki was here, I think she left, but, did you want to continue with her? This is that for a trial, the officer has failed to appear. Did you want to wait for Ms. Soroki, the attorney, to do the case, or did you want to just proceed?
I would want to wait for the attorney.
The officer's not here, so.
Oh, okay.
You're willing to proceed?
Yes.
Okay, so, this was set for trial at 9 o'clock, it's 10:13, the officer has failed to appear, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a blessed day.
Written up Jonathan Reed, he got.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good, how are you? I'm not sure that happening.
Okay, everyone, I'm gonna put you guys in a breakout room. So just be patient, and attorney will be with you soon. You may be waiting for a while, maybe an hour, maybe a couple hours, I don't know, hopefully not, but just be patient, okay?
Okay.
Win $1,000 right now.
All right.
MojoTheMoney.com. Look.
Mr. Davis, did you just come out of a breakout room?
Yes.
Why, sir?
She asked me to leave it.
Oh, you spoke to the attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Ray, are you supposed to be in a breakout room? Or did you speak to the attorney?
I think they supposed to have me in the waiting room. I ain't talking to no attorney yet.
Okay, then you need to go to room 11. Do you see a prompt for you to go to room 11?
Hold on.
Hello.
Yes, Ms. Doss, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Just be patient, speak to an
I'm
attorney
trying.
there.
I want to. My device is dying, so I was okay. She put me in another break.
Well, yes, Ms. Doss. Ms. Robinson, did the lawyer tell you to come out?
Yes.
Okay.
It should be $250. Oh, no, they, is that it, Marcia? I'm not. No, it's that open. Hold on 1 second, sir. On the ledge. No, 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 I'm just looking, this says show house 720. Okay. This is something else. Oh, John. Supposed to be 250 because I can't just assume, even though the other one does. I can't just assume that that's what you want. You're very welcome.
Ms. Robinson, there's no eating in the courtroom.
No, that was coffee. My bad.
Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Weber.
I brought out, I think I've done everyone I can do in the breakout room at this point, so I've got everybody out.
Okay. So I see that you brought out, Jonathan Reese, so I can bring out the officer, Officer Hardy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me see. I didn't really realize he was on trial. Let me see where we're at. He was brought out in error. I didn't mean to bring him out. He's got,
Okay.
unless he's twice on the docket. I don't think he is.
Okay, so Mr. Reese, can you rejoin room number 12, please?
Can you repeat that room?
Room number 12.
Okay.
You need to rejoin the breakout room, sir.
Okay.
I'm putting up Jonathan Reese's.
Oh, no, you don't need to put out Jonathan, not right now, you know.
Oh,
But
okay.
if you, well, if you still have, well, I can. So.
Oh, wait a minute, here go,
Ms. Richard.
Yeah.
Evan.
I mean, she had 4 points. Oh, no, she was my next one that had my. Did 4 so far.
Yeah, we're still printing out Miss Richards stuff, so we'll get to her shortly.
That's fine.
This is Will versus Christopher Davis, ticket number SP 11708114, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Christopher Davis.
Mr. Davis,
Yes,
say your
hello.
name.
Yes, Christopher Davis in attendance.
Your Honor, at this time, I'm moving for dismissal. Mr. Davis provided insurance from the date of the incident.
You stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Siroki.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, Ms. Ross.
You're welcome.
print it out.
Terry Hartman, who's your client?
Just give me one moment. I just printed out for me,
I'm
Mrs.
printing out
Robbins.
Jonathan Reese's stuff. Dr. DeReese, she had to restart her computer, so she can do some logging back in. Logging back in.
Oh.
I think that's.
All right, this is the people versus, are you ready on Zipporah Dean?
Yes, I believe I am.
Zipporah Dean, ticket number SP 11075564, count 1, drove while unlicensed, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Miss Dean.
Say your name, Ms. Dean.
Zipporah Dean.
Your Honor, Miss Dean has provided a valid license this morning. I believe the recommendation would be the no insurance would be amended to improper plate. She's looking to avail herself of that.
Okay. Sorry, what? You said improper plate? All right. Ms. Dean, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Did you say yes?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 25th, 2020 at 1:45 p.m. on that date and time where you add or near the location of Decay and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
You're driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle,
Yes.
not have insurance on that vehicle.
No.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to improper plates. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. Ms. Dean, there'll be a $200 fine. Can you have it paid by August 25th?
Yes.
Any questions, ma'am?
No.
You're all set.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people. This is the people versus Tamika Robinson, ticket number SP 1256436, count 1. No insurance misdemeanor, count 2, equipment violation, improper or unauthorized equipment. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Tamika Robinson. I also see a one-arm driving civil infraction on the docket.
Okay, I'm sorry, where do you see that?
It's on the docket. I don't have the files. It would be count 3, Your Honor.
I see. I'm sorry about that. Thank you.
And I do believe, Your Honor, the recommendation would be my client would plead to an amended charge from no insurance to improper plates, and the other matters would be dismissed. If that's the case, she'd waive her rights and enter a plea.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't do that.
You don't think they would do that? I do.
Are these already in default?
They're on the docket, so I would assume they're not in default.
What's the number? Give me the number.
They're probably not. SP 12564.
Your Honor, can I say something?
No, not yet, Miss. Not yet, ma'am.
What's the number?
Right, but count 2 and 3.
Oh, civil infractions.
Okay. So So, yeah, they probably, no, that probably would not be the offer. The offer would probably be, it would be to, at least to one of the civil infractions.
They just nitpick. Think about it. Exactly.
All right, so I would dismiss the count three, well, I wouldn't just, I believe the prosecutor would dismiss count three. She could do, does she have insurance?
No.
Count two, and then dismiss everything.
So you wanted to plead to count 2 and 3 or just count 2?
No, just count two.
Okay, she'll admit count 2, Your Honor.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
So stipulated.
All right, you stipulate to probable cause that the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. Because this is a civil infraction, there is a fine of $120. You gotta have it paid in 2 weeks. If you needed more time, I would give you more time, but it's like 2 weeks. Ms. Robinson? Did you hear that?
Yes.
Can you do the 2 weeks or do you need more time?
I need more time.
Okay, so I'll give you to the 18th.
Okay, August 18th.
August 18th is when it's due, yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Okay, we can do Miss, we can do Miss, oh, we still have, Miss, yeah, we'll do, I don't think we're ready.
Who else? What did we do, Serafina?
Are we ready on Miss Dent Lewis?
I'm here, Judge.
I have not spoken to her.
Okay, she's Miss Dent Lewis. Were you in a breakout room? I think you need to go back in there.
Okay.
Here, I'll just put you back.
The officer is, the one you said, Hardy. She should be.
I see, she's here. Here, we'll try to.
I mean, if you know, these people that have these bigger cases in the offices, maybe you can just call them out and we'll do them as we go. But there's like a OWI.
I know. I mean, I'm trying to get Miss Richard done, but she has a lot of cases and it's up for a review.
And there's a lot of people who have less than her, so.
I know. That's why I've been kind of overlooking her. You're ready on Charles Day?
You know, I haven't spoken to him. I don't know how they're getting in the main area.
I don't know either. Mr. Day, no one spoke to you, sir, so I'll put you back in the waiting room.
Oh, no, they got to go into a breakout room. That's why.
See, that's what I mean, breakout room. I'll put you back in the breakout room. Because everyone is out pretty much.
Oh, maybe the breakout room kicked them out.
I mean, I don't have anyone in the waiting room, rather. So
Okay,
Mr.
so I think
Day-
they just came into the main area. Not, you didn't put them in breakout rooms. That's why we're seeing them.
Okay. All right. So everyone's pretty much in a breakout room.
So there was one person I didn't see on the docket, and I'll give you the name right now.
Oh,
Raeigen. Raeigen.
didn't say Raybon, but there's one guy named Dingles Day. He was a
Yeah.
docket yesterday.
But Tanja Raybon, I don't see that on the docket. Is that me, Rayborn? Oh, there it is. Never mind. I see it now. Okay, so are we done with everyone out here and I'll go back?
Yeah, we just haven't done Miss Richard, but she just has to wait. 'cause we're
Okay.
trying to force it out. And Mr. Day needs to join back because you haven't spoken. So
Okay,
I don't know if they're either gonna stay out here and we'll just have to do everything on the record or. they can try to talk.
Zachary,
Zachary is the trial where the officer is here.
yeah.
Well, here, you can try to do Mr. Day since he's here. Okay, Mr. Day, it looks like you have drive while license not valid or improper license, no insurance, and drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Do you have registration now, Mr. Day, or insurance or a valid license? You're muted, sir. You need to unmute yourself and you need to sit up. You can't lay in the bed while you're in court. I don't even know why you in the bed. Okay, so unmute yourself, sir. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself. Tap the screen. Tap the screen all the way. You're talking, I can't hear you because you're muted. You need to tap the screen, look all the way to the bottom left-hand corner. There should be a microphone. If you tap that, it's next to the video. Tap that and that will unmute you. I can't unmute you, sir.
I see Antonia Dixon, Your Honor. That is an OWI review, so I don't know if you need probation on that.
I'll read it. Nobody for probation is called. Let me see what our conditions are.
Okay, we're checking now.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know what happened to Mr. Day. I don't know what happened to him, but
He probably hung up when he was trying to,
probably. His is yeah, FTD on the drove while license not valid. This is everything else. Yeah, everyone's here. I think for all the officers that are here, everyone is here. Oh, Corporal Hardy, I'll put you back.
Judge, I don't know what tickets Dingle Day has from yesterday.
Yeah, I can tell you. You can see which is here. Narcotic drug violation, so 3 months delayed sentence.
What's the date on it?
Give me 1 second.
Okay, yeah, I can ask him.
No, I got it right here. Like I wanted nails and then now I have them and I can't type it. I'm sorry. The date is 2020, April 30th, 2020.
Okay, thank you.
Any more? So 13.
Dixon is in the waiting room somewhere, right? That's only one I'm calling.
Yeah, she's in a breakout room. So
I'm
I'm gonna
calling
pull up. You got that one?
Yeah, I printed it. I'm calling probation officer Scotty.
Okay. And you don't have anything.
She just sent me a thing. Don't answer this time. Let me see.
I thought Dr. Davis had checked in, but I don't see her, so that I'll take me.
Okay, so we want to put these trials, right?
I'm gonna do, sorry.
These staffers. Printing somebody else's too, right?
I did it, Doc.
This is, James Dingley.
Yeah.